Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tabiya here, sharing some steps to make an aesthetic plan edit. So yeah, let's get into the video. So here is the PicsArt tab. Now I'm gonna choose a background and we'll go to the sticker section and we'll search for overlays. There are several overlays and they are aesthetic. I have saved some here in my recent folder, so yeah, I'm gonna use them. Also, I'm gonna add these overlays at the end of the video so that you can use it easily. Also, I have shared the tutorial how to use these overlays from that picture, so yeah, stay tuned. Now I will go to the draw section and will draw a square border. So yeah, we'll adjust its size and opacity, and yeah. And yeah, it is done. Now I'm gonna save the picture to the gallery, and yeah, here's the aesthetic picture. And also I have used polar filter here, and here's the code. Now take a background and we'll choose add photo, and yeah, blend the picture and in the lighten mode, and yeah, it is done. Also, if you want the perfect overlay with the shadows and all, you can easily search for overlays in sticker section.